Baby J looks evil right now. What are you doing, Baby J? Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we are going to do some Halloween patchwork nails because I have no idea what I'm going to name these when they upload, and that's the name I'm going with for now. To start this mani off, I'm using my Ready for Takeoff Peel Off Base Coat from Nail Lacquer. I actually used 2 coats of this because I wanted to peel it off the next day. If you use 1 coat, it sticks for a couple days usually for me, but I use 2 when I need to take it off sooner than that. The base color is Frequency from 90 Lacquer. This is a very bright, beautiful pumpkin-y orange. I actually picked this up because I was attempting to make a rainbow out of linear hollows from her shop. I was really desperate at that time, guys. Okay, I don't need made fun of. Now we have the Seriously Rainbows collection, but then I didn't have that. And I ended up getting this and a purple that I really liked together, and that's kind of what inspired the whole mani, was those 2 colors. This goes on completely opaque in 2 coats. I probably could have gotten away with 1 coat actually, since we're doing a little bit of reverse stamping over it. But I wanted to go 2 just to make sure and to give me a little more color buildup in case I made a mistake that I needed to take off with acetone and fix. For the cuticle protector, I'm using my Simply Peel from Bliss Kiss. This is the last mani with this. This bottle is completely dried up. I don't have any others anymore. My refill bottle ended up drying up too. I don't know if I just wasn't using it enough or what. The refill bottle was really good until it got down towards the bottom. It wasn't drying up at all, and then when it got towards the bottom, it just, something gave out in it. For the stamping, I'm using the B23 Creepin Real plate from What's Up Nails, and I'm actually going to stamp again with R.E.M from Superchic Lacquer, and I'm using my extra large clear stamper from Twinkled-T. You can get 10% off all Twinkled-T products and all Superchic products with the code SERIOUSLY, which is actually listed in the description box with all my other discount codes you guys can use. I picked this image up really easily. It actually stamped amazingly well. And then I'm going to cover it in with my crystal dotting tools from Twinkled-T. And the first color we're going to use for coloring is Queen of Tea from Superchic Lacquer. This is from the recent Spill the Tea collection. It's a gorgeous, bright lime green linear holographic. I didn't really have a plan for these when I started coloring them in. I wasn't coloring any certain spots. I wasn't trying to make a pattern. I didn't want all the nails to like match. I did want all the nails to be different, have different parts colored in. So I went a little kind of crazy with it, just coloring in wherever with the green. And then I went back with my purple. And then I would stamp it over the orange and see how that looked. I think my pinky nail was the one I had to do twice because I colored in the big large part in the center with purple and I went to stamp it over my pinky, and of course it overwhelmed and I didn't get any other colors on it. So I honestly went in and changed that up so that I had a little more going on than just that big purple blob with a smidge of orange showing. I just had to change it up. Here I chose to color in 4 of the little spots with Queen of Tea. And then I'm going to take Concord from 90 Lacquer, which is this really beautiful purple. It's like so gorgeous. It's a deeper purple and I love it. And I'm going to just color in a few squares with that as well. I kind of alternated whether I used a lot of green or a lot of purple or left a lot open for the orange, because I wanted each nail to be different. None of them I wanted to repeat any kind of pattern. So I just kind of went wild with it. Which I already said, but you know, we'll say it again. I'm a little tired. My brain's not functioning correctly this week. It's not going to happen. Probably my next couple tutorials, my brain is not going to be fully functioning. But guess what? They're still going to upload and they're still going to be beautiful. Okay? So we're going to live with the non-functioning brain. I can deal with that. I can go through life on autopilot, sort of. For like temporary bursts of time, it works for me. I think most people out there understand that. We all get a little we all get a little sleep deprived sometimes. See, I can't even talk anymore. Maybe I should just do a tutorial. with no voiceover. That might make people a little crazy. I think they'd lose their minds. Just music, maybe not even music, just a silent tutorial with random spooky noises, because that would fit in with Halloween. It would be perfect. As you can see, I've kind of finished this. I chose my squares to color in. I flipped it over. I always flip my reverse stamping designs over to make sure I fully colored them in and it's opaque. Otherwise you get weird spots of the base color showing through. Next, I'm going to go to my nail and I'm going to use my Marvel Liquid Macro Top Coat from Superchic Lacquer and put it on just a basic makeup sponge. I've had people ask me which sponges I use. I don't buy my sponges from an online retailer. I actually get them at Walmart. They come in a pack of 100 for like $4. I was about to say $5. No, it's $4. I think it's like $3.89. And then I use them over and over and over until the sponge is dead. And then I throw them away. Once I stamp my design here, I kind of rolled it over the nail. My nails are really curved, so you guys know I have to do that. And then I'm going to take my stainless steel cuticle pusher and I'm going to just kind of slice, push, however you want to say it, off all these thicker edges to make cleanup a lot easier for me later. I didn't show it in this video. I did show it in the last reverse stamping tutorial I posted. But the bit that's on the tip of the nail that you can see hanging there, I always take my tweezers from Twinkled-T and I just pull that one off straight down against the nail so it gets a clean cut and doesn't leave a bunch I have to clean up. For my cleanup, I actually did it off camera again with my number 2 cleanup brush from Twinkled-T because it was a bit messier this time. And then I was left with gorgeous little patchwork nails. I kind of started off and didn't intend to do like a hollow patchwork nails at all. I was going to do something differently. And then I ended up going with colors and the hollow and making it sparkly, and it just went sideways, okay? That's how 90% of my tutorials go. I start off with one idea and then it goes somewhere else. But at the end of the day, it still turned out pretty, so I'm winning here. Alright, still winning. That's it for this tutorial though. As always, the items I used are linked in the description box. My discount codes are also listed in the description box. If you enjoyed this, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff, tutorials, my rambling, a giveaway coming soon, and I will see you guys next time.